Hey, this is Joe Williams. Welcome back to my blog. People ask me all the time because I've been a speaker as my primary profession. Speaker, trainer, consultant. My primary profession for 20 now plus years, right at 20 years actually, right at 20 years. And they always ask me, what's the key to building a business through all types of different business cycles, through the downturn in '08 here in the US and the good times, before that. What's the key to being able to build a business, a career in this field in any situation? Here's what it is. Write this down. Grab a pen quickly and write this equation down. This is my own personal equation I created years ago for myself. I share it very rarely. It's your imagination times influence. Imagination times influence. I'll come back and explain these. So imagination times influence times taking what I call imperfect action. Imperfect action. Imagination times influence times imperfect action equals the impact that you can have and then the income you can generate in this business. Let me tell you real briefly what I mean. Here's what it is. Your imagination, that's your resourcefulness. How big can you think? Not only, that's the normal way people think of imagination, but what can you figure out using your resourcefulness, your creativity, your friends around you, the books you read, the things you listen to, the podcasts, how you're feeding your brain on a daily basis to expand your capacity for imagination of what's possible for you, times your influence. And I don't just mean your ability to influence, like your ability to sell. Yeah, that's part of it. Here's what I really mean. Your circle of influence. It's an old cliche, but it's true. Your network equals your net worth. What are you doing constantly to add value to people so you grow your circle of influence? So imagination, resourcefulness times influence, circle of influence, times imperfect action. What is that? That's freaking hustle. That's getting after it every day. I don't care how tired you are. I don't care that you don't feel like getting up and getting into it. This is where you put the, all that foo-foo stuff aside, and this is just hard work sometimes. And yet, he who hustles, whatever the old adage is, good things come to those who hustle, I believe is what it is. That equals the impact that you can have, the value you can add to people's lives. And as long as you do that, income will never be an issue. When you add enough value to people on a consistent basis, you'll never have to worry about money in any business, but especially this business. That's my tip for the day. I'll see you back here real soon.